Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Xcode for iOS app project setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your macOS device and ensure you have Xcode installed. Launch the Xcode application from your applications folder. If you don't have Xcode, download it from the Mac App Store. Once Xcode is open, navigate to the menu bar at the top. Click on Xcode and then select Preferences from the drop-down. In the Preferences window, click on the Accounts tab. You will see a plus sign located at the bottom left corner. Click on the plus sign to add your Apple ID. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter your Apple ID credentials. Enter your email address and password associated with your Apple developer account. After entering your credentials, click Sign In. Once signed in, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions. After signing in, you will see your account listed in the Accounts pane. Select your Apple ID from the list. Now, click on the Manage Certificates button. Here, you can create a new signing certificate. Click on the plus sign in the Certificates section. Choose iOS Development and click Continue. Xcode will generate and add the certificate automatically. Once the certificate is created, close the Preferences window. Now, return to the Xcode main interface. Select Create a new Xcode project to start your app setup. Choose the template that best fits your project, like App under iOS. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Enter your project's name, organization name, and identifier. Make sure to select your development team using the drop-down menu. You can choose between Swift or Objective-C as your programming language. Click Next after filling in the required information. Select a location to save your new project and click Create. After this, your initial project setup will be complete. You are now ready to start developing your iOS application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.